Hello, this is Michael Gaines, and this is a pea. It might look like a small green inanimate object that can be digested, but within this pea there's a powder to be made and serious gains can be achieved. Just a pea.
Today for show and tell, I'm so excited I might yell. Can't wait to show you, it's so cool. I went to grandma's yesterday, worked in her garden the whole day. She let me bring some veggies here to school. I got a carrot, I got a yam, I got a green bean, fresh not from a can. Got a potato, and as you can probably see, I also got a pea.
So what's so special about pea protein? Well, you can make pea burgers. Okay, that would actually be disgusting. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, peas, how can that be made into like a supplement powder? I mean, wouldn't it just taste like peas? Well, actually no. It's made into like a really neutral, light powder, and it doesn't really have a taste at all. So it's absolutely perfect as a supplement. To the fact that it's packed with nutritional qualities that make it a superb bulking powder, what you have is a little pea with a lot of power. Pea protein benefits are substantial. It aids weight loss, supports a healthy heart, may decrease risk of kidney disease, increases muscle thickness, which is what we're all about, and regulates blood sugar. The common misconception is that vegetable-based proteins don't have the same effect on muscle growth as dairy-based whey proteins, but this has been proved in several studies to be bull. Pea protein increases muscle thickness just as potently as dairy-based proteins. In fact, pea protein contains about 5 more grams of protein per serving than traditional whey dairy-based protein powders. And when you compare the two, it's hard to understand why anyone would take or eat that shit they call whey. If you compare the digestion, it's so much easier to digest plant-based proteins. It contains no allergenics. It doesn't cause bloating, it's alkaline forming, and it's free from antibiotics, growth hormones, and steroids. Substitute your whey powder for pea protein powder, and I promise you, within weeks, you'll be crushing pea.